Welcome. If you're looking to cut down on distractions while using Pinterest on your PC, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the simple steps to disable permissions for in-app notifications on Pinterest following the latest update. Whether you want a more peaceful browsing experience or just want to control what pops up while you're pinning, this guide has you covered. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to the Pinterest website. Log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're on your Pinterest homepage, take a look at the left side of your screen. You'll see a menu with several options. Click on Settings. It's usually represented by a small gear icon. Now that you're in the Settings menu, look for the section labeled Notifications. Click on it to open up all the notification options available for your account. Here, you'll see different types of notifications Pinterest can send you, but what we're focusing on today is the Permissions section. Scroll down until you find Permissions. This is where you can manage what kind of notifications Pinterest is allowed to send directly within the app. To disable in-app notifications, simply toggle off the option labeled In-app. This will stop Pinterest from sending you notifications while you're actively using the website, helping you stay focused and interruption-free. Once you've made this change, don't forget the most important step. Click Save. This ensures your new settings are applied and you won't have to repeat the process. You should see a confirmation message letting you know your preferences have been updated. And that's it. You've successfully disabled permissions for in-app notifications on Pinterest from your PC. Now you can enjoy browsing, pinning, and exploring new ideas without unnecessary interruptions. If you found this guide helpful, consider sharing it with friends who might also want a quieter Pinterest experience. Thanks for tuning in, and happy pinning!